So if you raise chickens, this has happened to you. You provide them a great place to lay their eggs. It's clean, it's private, but you've always got one that wants to lay on the ground. Now that one can turn into more than one because she will lead the other ones astray if you let it go on very long. Let me show you how I stop them from doing that every time. And it's usually over in this corner for me, especially if you've got some deep bedding in there. It's just a good, comfortable place to lay an egg. So I've got one that comes right there and lays an egg every time. If you let it continue, another one will come over there and say, man, that looks like a good place to lay too, and they'll lay right there. And pretty soon, all of them will be laying right there. So let me show you how I stop them from doing that. It is a very simple process. Now what I typically use is a piece of cattle panel. You have got to make it uncomfortable for her to lay in that spot. So I usually put this cattle panel in there. I've got it arched upwards a little bit to where it's not laying in the sawdust or the bedding. So this ladder's a little bit of a problem, but not much. I've got to get it past the ladder. And I want it all the way up in that corner because that's her favorite place. And let me tell you something. She will not lay there again. Here's what she will do. Let me give you a close-up. So there's the cattle panel laying right where the chicken was laying her egg. Now, you say, well, you don't have a cattle panel. It does not have to be a cattle panel. Many times, if I don't have one ready, cut, sized to fit, I'll just lay some 2x4s in there, just 2 or 3 2x4s, pieces of wood, something that's going to prevent her from getting in there. Lay them far enough apart to where she can't get in between them and lay an egg. You might be 4 5 inches apart where it's uncomfortable for her to get in there and lay the eggs. And just run you some 2x4s. I like cattle panels because it's just easy. Just set it down in there, it's done. But run you some 2x4s, pieces of wood, go out and get some tree limbs, something to stop them from doing that, and they will. Now, let me tell you what the girl's gonna do, because I already know. She's gonna go just on the outside of that cattle panel, and she's gonna lay right there, somewhere. So it's quite likely that I'm gonna have to come back in here, put another piece of cattle panel right here. Sometimes she will lay underneath it. I'll have to come in here with another piece of cattle panel to keep her from laying underneath this nest box. But at some point, it won't be long, she will get the hint and she will start laying in the nest box. So if you've got an unruly chicken, she's going to lead your other ones astray. I can tell you that right now. So before she does, break her of the habit. Put your cattle panel in there, cut it to fit. Now the reason I know boards work or anything like that is I usually put the cattle panel right here, like I showed you, and then she'll lay right there. Well, I'll put 2 or 3 boards just right here, some 2x4s and some 4x4s, whatever I got handy. Just lay them down in there, and if they're in the way, she won't lay. I like that. I just made that up. If they're in the way, she won't lay. So, perspective. This is where she's supposed to lay her eggs, not there. Moral of the story is, put something down that will discourage her from laying on the ground, and eventually she'll jump up into the nest box. Do it before she leads the other ones astray, or you're going to have a whole group of them wanting to do that. And I'll just leave that cattle panel in there. I might take it out in a week or 2 just to see if she's broke, and if so, I'll leave it out. But otherwise, I have no problem with just leaving it in there. So that's a great way to do it. Hope that helped. Hope you can get them back in the box. That's why you have it. So get them back in the box. All right. That's it. We're gone.